Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Guys, we're out here at Freddylsx Trailers and we're gonna get us a brand new trailer because as you guys seen on the a couple of videos ago, the trailer we have is completely done. It did its work. It worked for 4 years. Badass trailer, but now it's time for a new one. So we're here at Freddylsx Trailers. As you can see, they got a wide selection of trailers and we're gonna look around, then go talk to the guys and see what trailer we can take home because we gotta take one home today. Porque tenemos Colorado this weekend.
Yes, sir. Ahí nos vemos toda la raza de Colorado. Ahí nos vemos 2 días, ya saben, parece 5 y 6, ¿verdad?
Ajá, con esa trailera la
5 y
hacemos
6
allá.
nos vemos. No chingues, ¿para qué?
Nomás para el merch.
Ahí no caben ni las cosas del ketchup y de Oscar.
la camera gear.
Qué bonita está esta, güey.
¿Esta le gusta?
Me gusta todo el frame así negrito, la orillita y 3 llantas.
¿Quiere esta para decirle?
Esta mera. Y hasta tamaño me gusta. Mira, trae aire acondicionado.
¿Esta trae aire acondicionado? No, se me hace que vamos a ver con los sales guys.
La colita
Pues
no.
Mira, lo que hay que hacer es ir, vamos a ver y luego ya, a ver esta cuánto y esta cuánto y qué es lo que traen y todo el show.
Esa colita está muy derecha, me gustaría más así media.
¿Más performance?
Como la de Hellboy. Ahí está un carro adentro, güey.
Verga y chulada de traerlas, aquí vale la pena, Mira. Su puta. Hasta huele. Huele como casa nueva, yeah? Damn, guys, look at the quality of these trailers right here. I don't know if you need all this, but it's definitely good to have it. ¿Este será el XC,
No, ese se mira con structure de ahí de.
The only thing is, guys, we really don't need these cabinets at
No.
all. We don't need them at
No,
all.
aquí está el merch.
This is where the merch goes, but it doesn't look bad. It actually looks really nice.
Pero es más que suficiente, güey. Mira, el carro se parquea allá, and this is more than enough space for merch.
Es que está más largo.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's one that we might take if they. This is like a house, guys.
Pero,
Nice.
¿sabes qué?
¿Qué?
Aire no trae.
¿Por qué dice?
No hay.
¿No lo miro?
¿Para la mudanza que está allá?
Nada más ese para inflar todo esta madre.
Okay, we'll ask about that one.
Está bonita,
Pero véngase ya. Y este tiene hasta techo, like it has like an upper deck.
Sí, esa es como de 2 pisos, güey. Está muy alta, ¿no?
Lambo on top and merch at the bottom.
Está bonita esa también,
El pedo con esas es que se tiene que watchar por el
Oh, la
clearance y todo el pedo, ¿no?
Una negra. Black on black.
La mera neta, esa blanca me gusta ya.
Se mira bien bonita. Sí, se mira.
Se mira bien así como.
Y ni ocupa wrap ni nada, esa ya nada más con un sticker.
Este es más race trailer, mira. ¿Sí ve que tiene como el canopy?
Estas puertas son las que se miden.
Esa tiene hasta baño, mira.
Está prendiendo luz afuera.
¿Sí?
Ya.
Damn, it has a shower and everything.
No.
¿Mire?
¿Shower?
¿Shower?
Esta,
Güey.
Esta es la buena.
Esta, güey.
Ay, cabrón, mira qué hay aquí. Microwave.
Eso es lo que te gustó más a ti, cacho.
Sí, mire. Mire.
No, this is too fancy.
Microwave.
Damn, guys, this is like a kid at the candy store.
Esta está bien buena. Esta está.
Esta ya ni la busques, ya no la busques.
Vámonos, ¿cuánto? ¿Por qué tan poquito?
Damn, guys, really, these are some badass trailers.
Hola, verga, me ando cayendo.
I ain't seen this nice of trailer in a long time.
Costó la vuelta a venir para acá tan lejos,
Yeah.
güey.
We were gonna go to another one, but they don't have this type of quality trailers. But these guys got some really nice trailers. Pues ahorita me está usando la blanca esa más que ninguna otra. We're buying one today.
A la madre, esta tiene bocinas hasta para afuera.
Esta también.
¿Ah, sí?
Esta que acabamos de ver.
Es la del baño esta, ¿da?
Sí. Alright guys, so we're gonna continue to look, and then eventually we're gonna go in there, talk to the sales guys, and see what's available. Cause I mean, those might be getting picked up or something, you know. Tiene toilet, we don't need all that.
Sí, güey, se ocupa, güey.
Ay, no, ay, pinche toilet chiquito, cachado. No te cabe ni una nalga allí.
Ay, ya. La agujera, escuché de volada, güey. Pinche garantía, la vas a hacer void de warranty. Vámonos.
Un mojón y ya, tronó.
Está chida, mire.
Como que las puertas están más grandes. ¿Esto se da? ¿Más ancho? ¿Que ibas a poder entrar fácil, cocho?
Sí, es double door. Ábrela para que me entre, para que me meta. A ver, ahí está.
Mira, güey.
A ver, ayúdame. Ayúdame a la verga, cabrón.
Yo pensé que estabas jugando, güey.
No.
Tiene muchos gabinetes.
Güey, pero mira a dónde va a llegar la troca. Here. You see? It stops here, right here. Y luego todo esto, storage. It's extra space that you have.
Me gusta más la blanca que tiene los gabinetes allá.
La cosa es de que cualquiera que tenga gabinete nos estorba, güey, la verdad.
La chile que sí.
Y
Una
la-
pelota de gabinete estuviera colmada.
Ah,
No, no mames. Tengo las. Fui al gym hoy. ¿Usted qué fue al gym o no?
Aguanta las patillas.
No.
Ándale, cabrón, pero ya andas que quieres
A mí
ponerte
se me
mamado.
hace que si la blanca esa está available, pues
¿Esa?
llevamos esa ya. So, mira, aquí está. Feels Trailer Sales.
Hey, guys, okay. Ando buscando una trailer buena calidad y un chingo de variedad.
Acá está
Y
una mamalona.
¿Dónde?
Ya. Esa horse trailer.
What?
Ah, no es de caballo. Yo pensé, hasta it was a horse trailer. Iba a decir pa' pinche horsepower.
Bueno, ¿qué tal? Ketchup, te andas cayendo, güey.
Pies, güey. Ya no.
¿De veras? ¿No estás jugando?
Se me van la pinche
Mira,
rodilla.
güey.
Que se levantó, dice.
Sí.
Alright, well, let's go talk to the people that own the place, guys, and we're gonna see what the prices are on these trailers and which one we're taking, because like I said, we need one ASAP. The other one, the sides, it already done came off, and we need one. We're taking one today. I don't know which one it's gonna be, but we're definitely taking one. That white one with the black trim, it looks really, really classy, guys. It looks really good. That one would be perfect only if it had AC.
Yeah, these are all able to be, you're able to add AC to any of these. So what are you using it for?
We go to a lot of truck shows, so we have to put a car in there and then put all our merch there. We always have a canopy, so the canopy doesn't really matter, you know?
So this is, this looks like a 34. And so you're gonna have all your, basically get it set up.
Yeah, we were in here already. Oh, nice. Does it have outside speakers too or no?
Right here, this is adjustable. You have to go inside here to adjust it. Got a charging dock. Battery power is what's running everything right now. It's got 50 amp.
Okay, and that charges whenever you're running the truck?
Yep. Anytime you're hooked up to a generator. It's got the extra 36-inch ramp flap for low profile cars and stuff. This is the L-base cabinet configuration. It's got your toolboxes, your wardrobe cabinet.
Do you have any that don't have cabinets at all? But that look like this from the inside?
Not like this. I can build it if you wanted it. How soon you need it?
Now we need it for this weekend. The other trailer we had is started coming apart, so.
I've got some commercial grade stuff over there that's going to have the appearance of the outside, but you're not going to get all the bells and whistles. It's just
Can you show us that one?
Sure.
I think I like the bells and whistles on this one, but let's see the other one. Wow.
So this is the commercial grade. I'm just showing you this one because it's the closest one I can find. You basically get some torsion axles. You're getting it's already pre-wired for an air conditioner if you wanted to put a panel in. And people take these and they do their own stuff to them. Price points on these start about $16,000 for the 24s, and then up to about $18,000 for the blackout package like this. But torsion axles, spread, extended tongue, extra height, 7.4. It's kind of this or that.
This is kind of what we had already.
You only live once, man.
Oh, I know. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to go with that other one. Is that white one available or what?
I can check.
Guys, so we're taking this one. All right. How you open it?
You're gonna need a key.
We're gonna take this trailer and we're gonna put AC in it because it be hot at the shows. And it has AC and heater, right?
It has a heat strip, 4,000 watt. It is takes the edge off. It doesn't heat.
Okay, okay.
It will. You'll definitely feel the difference.
Right here for the generator. Oh shit, it's got a lot of wood.
Yeah, para meterme ahí.
Then you hook up the generator to here or what?
You can do a direct through the junction box, or you can do a 50 amp. Normally you do it like this because you're going to have it on a slide to where you don't be succumb to the gases that come off of this thing. But yeah, this is a generator box right here. It's insulated, 50 amp service right here, and then a junction box to direct wire. And you guys would know that.
And all the lights are all the lights work without the generator, right? That's just for the AC.
The battery power will charge when you're hooked up to your truck, or anytime you're hooked up to power. It's always charging, and it runs about 8 hours. Depends on how loud you listen to the music.
Se hizo la machaca, guys. Tenemos trailer nueva con AC y todo.
Ok, porque la otra pobrecita la trailer dio chingo de
Guerra.
pero Ya se ocupó una nueva.
Sí, ya fue mucho, ya andaba largando por allá ahora que vienen de ¿qué? California.
Se le cayó el side y todo. Hopefully the tires on this one. Guys, we traveled really far, and the thing is with that trailer, the tires started blowing up. It might have been that it's a 2-axle and we put in a lot of weight in it. This one has got a 3-axle, so you got 3 tires hitting the road, and I feel like that's probably gonna help it out a lot.
Y aparte son de los axos chingonotes, no creo que aquellas son 5
no.
birlos, no, estas son de los meros, bueno.
No, definitely, these guys built some good quality trailers. What surprised me is how you don't see any of the rivets like my other one has. But this one is a almost $50,000 trailer, and the other one was a $10,000 trailer. So you really can't compare this.
Yep.
With what we're paying for this one, we buy 5 of the other ones. So this is a top of the line trailer, the best of the best, 150%.
Hey, güey, no chequeaste abajo.
Hey, but check it out.
Chequen abajo.
Hey, Joe, look at the frame. La otra no está así.
Oh.
Esta está boxed in. La otra es C-channel. Esta está... Chequen abajo ya.
No voy a estar podrido abajo.
La madre.
¿Qué?
Está chingona, güey.
No me agacho porque no me levanto. Venga.
Mira, güey.
A ver.
Tiene un chingo de esta,
Tiene un
chanos alrededor.
Tiene un chingo de esta, dijo ya.
¿Está encima de esta?
Chanos, está bien maciza.
Va a poder con el Hellboy, es lo que importa.
El pinche Hellboy se va a ir hasta arriba. Mira, ¿le miraste?
No sé si está buena.
Abuelito, ¿no trae una cola que me preste?
No.
Ándale.
¿Una qué?
Una cola por los chicles.
No trae. Es que chop.
Cabrón.
Alrighty guys, so we're gonna leave the badass trailer that we just bought and we're heading over to Nitrous Outlet. They're 10 minutes away from here. We have that new truck that we're working on. We're gonna pick up 2 badass Nitrous bottles and everything else for the Mamalona Red Devil. Le vamos a poner, ¿eh? ¿Ah? La Red Devil va a andar.
Red Devil.
Oh, mejor le ponemos la Hellboy Killer.
Para ponerle Hellboy Killer primero tienes que ganarle al Hellboy.
Ay, esa mamadita que hizo con las manos ya.
¿Qué hizo? A ver.
¿Así hizo?
What's up guys, we made it to Nitrous Outlet. We've been here once before and that's it. So we're gonna show you guys again for the people that didn't watch that video. We're gonna meet up aquí with one of our buddies, and this store is one to come visit in person guys, because they got nothing but top of line stuff in here. Check it out.
Mira, güey, moja para allí. Ahí está.
Damn, mira ya.
Direct port.
Direct port Nitrous plate para la jipeta.
¿Dónde está? Ahí vamos.
Algo bien, algo bien. Mira, LS carbon fiber, single turbo. Este es de 4 pulgadas ya.
Yeah, 4-inch.
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Damn it, boy. Guys, we're here with the man of the hour. We're here because we're picking up a couple of bottles for that other build that we're doing. So we're doing another burnout truck. Burnout truck, 6.0, 465, and we need nitrous outlet, uno de esos. We need the plate for the 6.0, and we need what else, JR? Usted sabe todo el show cómo está.
Ya, un stand de esos, el setup para Nitrous. ¿Lo vamos a hacer direct port o lo vamos a hacer con plate?
On Freddylsx,
Uh-huh.
we did the space plate.
Oh,
Spacer
okay.
plate. Yeah, it's more.
Yeah, like
yeah,
that?
kind of like that. Yeah, it's for the Hemi.
You guys have that in stock, okay?
I can check.
Check it. If we have that, we'll do that, right, JR?
Yeah, it's pretty. It's a clean. It looks clean. That's the main part we aim for.
All right, hell yeah.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, we do it.
Uh,
So hey, for the people that have never been here or that haven't heard of Nitrous Outlet, which everybody has, what is this and what do you guys do? Let them know.
We're all a big brand now. It's called Nitro Dave's. We have sister companies, Flow Supply, A60 Performance, Methods, and of course Nitrous Outlet. For any of your nitrous needs, of course Nitrous Outlet is here. You know, we have from anything you could think of, from direct port, the secret stuff. And our A60 Performance is our new accessories that y'all should check out, a60performance.com. Flow Supply is our other company. It's from fittings, hoses, from ice tanks, water tanks. It's the same thing, but you know, you guys can check it out.
Here, huh?
Yeah, we have a wall.
Yeah, guys. So I seen that you guys. Oh, it is todos los fines ocupa. So it's everything you need to run a badass setup. Que eso que se usa para qué, Jar?
Es para muchas
Para
cosas.
las fuel lines, para
todo, para los catch cans, para mangueras de feed, para los turbos, para return, para muchas cosas. Estos son para soldar, bungs.
Ah, Jar sabe, eh? So guys, Nitrous Outlet, like you said, now they're a bigger company.
Yeah.
Now you guys have Flow Supply, Nitrous Outlet, and what else?
A60 Performance and Methods. Methods is still on the build. We're trying to get ideas. Right now we're doing ideas for grudge racers, for all types of racers. So.
Órale. No, sí. And you guys got fuel cells and everything? Déjame, boy, check it out, Jar. Un catch can chiquito. What are these?
Sorry, catch tanks.
Atrás, los grandes que salen lumito.
¿Eso es para qué? Para los... La mételo, ¿no?
Sí. Mira el bunk que tiene. Como 16.
Órale, I need one of those too.
Yeah.
Get it.
Aquí, apárate un ratito aquí.
And we have and wrenches, from hose and assembly tools, from everything you can think of.
Jar,
Este
¿usted tiene
está
uno de esos, no?
chingón. Este se ocupa para hacerle la punta a los color intakes.
Damn, you guys got pretty much a little bit of everything. And all this is on two separate websites, or it's all?
Yeah, it's on Flow Supply, obviously, flowsupply.com. We have a little bit of items on nitrousOutlet.com, so y'all can check those out there. But
Yeah, that's crazy. So, ¿eso también usted los usa de madre, verdad, Jar?
Yep, para...
Las cans para agarrar las mangueras. Y esos...
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Guys, so we're gonna go right now with Julian and he's gonna give us a tour of the whole thing. Obviously, this is the showroom right here. They got the Nitrous Outlet stuff and then they got the Flow Supply. And over here they got a lot of things. And they got all the motors for the different setups of pretty much everything. But,
bike.
whose bike? That's your bike?
Nah, it's Dave's.
Oh yeah? Is it Nitrous too or what?
No, it's 0 miles, never had oil in it, never had anything in it, fuel, 0 miles, it's known, it's Hayabusa boost or whatever.
Well, he's just collecting it or what?
Yeah, this has it for sale. Y'all guys want it?
For real? How much?
I have no idea.
Take it right now, give it away.
I don't give away.
Nah, a ver, so what you guys got back here?
Well, this is the R&D, the research and development, obviously.
We're gonna say, Jared, we're giving you a tour right now. Yeah, dude.
This where we do our tuning, our flow tuning for the big intakes, masterminds of everything that goes on here. Dave obviously creates it, but they
Is
just
this
add
your
the
guys'
sauce
new
to
project
it.
or what?
Nah, it's Dave's little car.
Because I know last
Street
time I
car.
came, they had a truck.
Yeah, Stitch, fixing transmission problems.
Okay, so this is his car too or what?
Yeah, it's just a street car. He's taking it to lobby down race too.
What goes down over there? What is that? I never heard of
It's
that.
basically people travel from, it's up north. They travel state to state to see if it's a true street car. And you just, basically you could be slow as long as you're consistent. That's
So what, you
basically
run
it.
a number and then you gotta consistently run that number and then drive it
Stay
state to
consistent,
state?
Yeah, state to state.
That's whenever you see the guys with putting the little trailers
Yeah.
with the tires and everything?
You should do that.
Hey, that'd be
Yes,
good
yeah,
to
it's
do
an
it with the
adventure.
Lambo. Imagínate Lambo with the little trailer.
Yes,
Twin
many
turbo?
people will do that.
Is there Lambos up there too or what?
It's everything from rat rods.
What's it called? Rocky Mountain Race Week?
Yeah.
So it's a full week of people just driving state to state.
Yeah, and there's a lot of those.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we're supposed to go to one here next month, hopefully.
Damn, that might be something to look into. Right, Jer?
Hubiera bien, yeah.
Us with the Lambo, Jer with the Hellboy. But you gotta run it as a track. Is there a certain number you have to run?
No, literally you can run a 13 all day if you want, but just be consistent.
But 13s, I mean, it's a stock truck pretty much. Yeah.
Because he took Dave, he was gonna take the blue truck Stitch, but it had problems, so he ended up taking, I believe.
And then that's where if it breaks along the way, you try to fix it to make it to the next
Yeah.
one. So you gotta be there by a deadline, right?
Yeah, and you can't leave the course. Like you can't leave. Oh, Gerald wants to go E or something. You can't. You have to stay on the road.
Oh,
Everybody.
so you gotta fix it right down the side of the road.
And there, obviously, there's people who help you on the way. There's signals for everything. There's a whole. It's organized.
Like
With,
damn, that
Se
might
oye
be,
con madre.
that might be something that we could look into. But yeah, it's a really nice car.
yeah,
It
it's
says
got out the
Camaro.
shot. It's Hubbard orange.
Hunger orange, yeah.
It's like 1 out of 29 or something.
Is that the original color it came with?
Yeah, I believe so.
But como ves, Jar?
Está bien chingón aquí.
So let's go back here. What's back there? The shipping station, right?
Yeah, basically the warehouse where shipping goes on from assembly where they assemble parts. Like our
This looks
Brad,
really good
he
too,
does all
wait.
of our hard lines.
This looks really good too.
Oh yeah,
That's how I got it on the OG. And this is what?
Our hardline guy, one of the crates, the masterpiece.
That's what, direct port?
Yeah, door, nitrous over.
That's for what, like a...
That's a Hemi
The
right there.
Hemi,
yeah.
the Hemi intake.
6'1".
Jared would know because he's got one.
Yeah.
That would look really good on your car, Jared, on your Jeep.
That's it.
Alright guys, so this is the warehouse of Nitrous Outlet. Basically, they do all the shipping and receiving here.
And assembly.
So I'm gonna let him explain to you. Julian, go ahead. What
So
goes
this
on?
is basically our wiring station right here. It's our guy Roger. He works with all the wiring, from actually working on a lot of new stuff that's coming up and making things plug and play easier. That's our wiring guy, Roger, over here. He's mainly of our car line guy. Takes care of all simple things. He assembles our stinger plates, warning plates, and everything. That's our assembly right now. It's a little dead right now, but that's where everything goes on. They assemble things. Our shipping on this way. Y'all come on down, follow.
Everything's really nice and organized here.
Everything's homemade. You gotta see that. This is our CNC. Everything's happening. Y'all come check this way. Nothing's happening right now, but I mean it's the big machine that's mainly used. Everything.
What, a CNC machine? They do what? All this?
From our plates, from everything.
So what do you guys do to these? You pour them or
For
what?
this one, I think. Hey, Cole, what are you doing to this one right now?
This one, we had a meth bar installed, and the engine machine shop cut it out, and the customer's like, hey, we didn't want that cut out, so we get to put another one back in, and then we're adding two more, one in the bottom going this way, and then another one, and this one also going crossways, but it's going to spray towards the front, and then these going to probably have 5 of them spraying straight up.
Damn.
He wants a lot of fuel.
So what is it that you guys do with this machine to this?
This has nothing to do with that one.
Oh, okay. Well, what goes on right here though?
It's basically like what our
All those parts you see on that wall,
panels.
solenoid brackets, switch panels, all that good stuff. Our fuel cells.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's that? Well, that's the laser or what?
Yeah, laser cutters. Hace todo, but you know we use it for mainly some purposes.
Oh, right here, look, this is what they cut. So all the plates donde van los switches de Nitrous, todos como los little bends. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yeah, this is nice, man.
Yeah.
So you guys do everything in-house.
In-house.
And what I like about here is that everything's got their own station, nice and organized, really clean. It's a really badass shop, guys. Definitely, if you guys want to come, can people just come and ask you for a tour like that or what?
Yeah, we don't mind.
Especially if you're serious about buying something, or you have a shop that you want to start putting products in your shop, like bottles, wiring things, and stuff like that. You can come here, ask him for a tour, and he'll show you around the shop, and you guys can see everything they got going on and the quality of products that they do here at Nitrous Outlet. It's something we use on all of our trucks. We have it on the green C10, we have it on the OG, and now we're gonna have it on the red burnout truck, which is gonna be burnout truck and race truck at the same time. But we might do a little bit of racing and try it out with Nitrous, see what it does. Guys, so we're leaving out of here with a little nitrous bottle para la burnout truck. Yes, sir, and of course we got all the hoses and everything else. We're also gonna be working on the Hellcat with Nitrous Outlet, so stay tuned for that video, guys. But for right now, you guys make sure to go to Nitrous Outlet, give them a follow on Instagram, and tell them Freddylsx sent you. And also, if you guys want to pick something up from the website, go to Nitrous Outlet Instagram, and they have the link to the direct website right there. And you can also check out the Flow Supply and Nitro Dave's new website. So they have pretty much everything you need for turbo kits. And on the Flow Supply, they have everything you need for the fuel system. What else there?
Fabrication, they have a bunch of stuff over there.
So they got fuel cells and everything, guys. Make sure to check them out. Y a ver aquí, cuz. If they want to pull up to the shop, people can come here and buy
people
stuff.
can come here. Y'all can come look, buy it here, ship it, whatever y'all guys want to do. And then from there, just shop with Nitrous Outlet. Tell us Freddie sent you, and we'll give you the hookup.
That's right, guys. So we're gonna get out of here. We gotta go pick up the trailer. Then we're starting the AC, and we gotta take it because today's Danny's birthday. We gotta make him a cake.
Tenemos que ir a ver a Daniel. Hoy cumpleaños de Daniel, guys. A ver si él quiere partir pastelito y a comer pastelito y a ver si le podemos dar unas embarradas.
Cacha.
A la verga.
Guys, we're backing up to the moment, pero aquí viene JR, en vez de que se baje y que nos diga
Charagua.
para acá.
Oye, güey, si creo que quieres que no soy brujo, dime, bájese.
En vez de que diga, hey, déjame bajo, güey, espérame. Mira, este güey estaba dentro de la trailer.
¿Sí lo
¿No
entiendes?
ve aquí la cámara? ¿No la mira?
Está haciendo señas en inglés.
No me voy a bajar culeroso para que se quite.
¿Quieres aquí? Caliente el asiento.
Oh, they don't come with electric one? Come on. I thought you said you were going to throw that in there for us.
Got you something.
Hell yeah.
A ver, güey, chécale el AC.
Damn, boy, you know the luces, güey? Oh, you got the stereo system going on.
Mira, güey, el aire.
¿No cabe o qué pedo?
Why it's not like that?
I think this building is giving it some kind of feedback. You need to set the settings.
No, a ver.
Oh, this is Jensen speaker. Una GS18, Vargas. ¿Qué?
Waco 100, 99.
Es lo primero que dije. ¿Cuánto tiempo crees que va a durar la trailer, Vika?
No, hombre, hoy mismo la vamos a cocinar. Pero es que una trailer es para el jale, que ¿entiendes? Look how beautiful this looks. Imagine my Lambo in here. Mira, ahí pasado de lanza. The AC, oh, I have to.
You're going to probably end up putting a second one in here.
You think so?
Yeah,
You
I
tried it
found
already
it.
or what?
Most people do, but this is going to blow straight back that way.
The air comes out of here?
You close all three of those, it'll push all of your AC back that way.
Oh, is these and these? And here?
That's your vent, it sucks the air in, it cleans it, and it shoots out the back. All four corners, if you open it up, you can direct it.
These, right?
Oh, I see.
You open these.
So we
No,
just
no,
leave
no,
it.
just close it,
Just close them and you leave this one.
Shoot back that way. It'll keep that AC back there, but you're going to end up putting a second one on there.
Damn, this looks really nice, man. I'm really happy with this purchase. Probably after the Lambo Nitrous, this is one of my most exciting purchases I've done. And this is perfect size for the truck, right, Joe?
Yeah, that's 83.5 inches right there. That's the widest trailer we sell. 96 through the rear, so.
And this is a 34 foot, right?
Longest floor space that we offer in anything. There's nothing that has this much floor space except the 34.
So by the warranty, it says, how long is the warranty? Or how does that work?
Nationwide, first year's bumper to bumper, then you're going to have a 3-year, and then there's extended warranty on the axles through Dexter. Spares inside.
Alright.
And then I got y'all some hats, I got y'all some shirts, and I got you a hoodie.
Nice. Guys, super happy with this purchase. Trailer looks really, really nice. As you guys seen the inside of the trailer, looks really good. And the outside, check it out. It's like a glass. Really nice quality. Okay.
Ay,
Son outlets.
cabrón. Para estar editando.
¿El teléfono?
O para cargar un abanico por fuera.
Yeah.
Se pone el generador allá.
Necesitamos un generator.
¿Ya lo tenemos?
¿El rojito o qué?
Sí, con ese cara, ¿no?
Yo creo que sí. Vamos a ver.
Si no, vale verga, voy a tener que comprar generador. Puro billetes. Lo bueno que ya tiene paca.
Pacas de biles, cabrón.
So, we got the signature Phil's hats for
Phil's
each of
Traders,
you.
yes, sir.
This is something special for you, man.
Appreciate
I didn't
it.
have enough to give everyone.
Thank you.
Got a keychain for all you guys, and then I've got a size shirt for each one of you. that you
Damn
guys
it, boy. There you go.
want. Wear it proudly.
Oh, we sure will, man. Especially with the nice quality traders you guys have. Guys, so make sure to check them out. What's your address over here for people that want to come and pick up a badass trailer like that?
We're located in Waco, Texas. This is 3100 South Loop 340. Robinson, Texas is the official town that they call it. It's 76706 is our zip code. You can reach us at trailernut.com. My name's John Maxwell. You can talk to any of the guys in the gang. This is a family outfit, so we love your business. Let us know.
Yeah, check them out, guys. We'll see this trailer at a lot of shows, so you guys are gonna see the quality, and then you can hit them up and buy one.
Let us know.
Yeah, tell them Freddie send you. That way you get a good deal.
All right. Take it easy,
All right,
man.
brother.
Thank you. Take it easy. Take it easy, sir. Y'all be careful.
La cara de hombre.
Ahí está tu Happy Birthday. Yo no pensé que era lo mismo.
Te
miraba que estaba chiquita, ¿verdad?
un animalón. Es una casa rodando. Miren, vengan. Lo mejor de todo es lo de adentro, güey.
Ya no van a sacar las ya que echan los shows de adentro.
Me la voy a estar editando todo. Sí.
Miraba así.
¿No se miraba así?
Oye, se
miraba como que era
la otra igual con una blanca.
Tenemos. Denio, pero es 20, 20, no sé qué chingado, nuevecita, güey.
2026.
24. Dijo el vato. Esta es la primer trailer que sale con ese tipo de forro, algo de...
Mire, si la mira aquí, no se mira...
No, se mira bien parejita.
Bien parejita.
No, ya andábamos dando lástima con la otra trailer.
Oye, güey, ahora sí, hicimos un buen paso para arriba, a ver si vamos a llegar y... ¡Ay, güey! Mira,
Ay,
La vas a quebrar,
cabrón.
vale, pero vale.
dame esa madre, Freddy, te lo explicó el vato, güey, no te acuerdas ya, ¿verdad? Ah, no.
Ya la quebraste, ya valió verga.
Vamos, 14. Mira, está para cocinar ahí.
¿Era Dumo? ¡Vale! Mira.
Abajo, mira. Arriba.
Huele bien con madre.
Nuecita, güey.
¿Cómo ves, vale?
Para la extra.
Pero trae aire.
Oh, ahí está la estrella.
Porque ya trae un pinche
Boquetón allá, un piedronón.
¿Cómo ves, vale?
No, pues es que.
Trae esto del aire.
Haz de cuenta que ando en una pinche una pinche de lujo. Huele nuevo.
¿O sonaba con el taladro poniendo el uno, qué?
Sí, eso se lo pusieron ahorita. ¿Cuánto nos tardamos?
Bueno, nos tardamos y no habíamos regresamos temprano.
Préndelo.
Le iban a poner
No, que
que
nos poner un generador.
Salió mal.
No, yo le dije al vato que con uno, pero que este lo pusiera acá atrás. Está bien perra la trailer, Mira.
No la manosees toda, güey.
Verga, y está bien largota.
Son 34 pies, ¿verdad? 34 Fushi. Oh, a ver si jala radio.
Ese es para bajar, Daniel, para no andar buscando palos, ni tablas, ni nada. Esa madre también. ¿Sí?
La verga. A ver, ¿dónde está el otro?
No sé por qué, vale.
Digo que tienes que acomodar los settings.
Ocupo Nancy. Aquí para colgar de camisa, dijo el vato.
Para cuando va a correr.
O las chamarras de Race Jacket.
Ya no la sacas de ahí para que no se pierda.
Pero mira qué bonito se mira todo eso que le ponen aquí, güey. El chile que está bien perro.
La neta.
Ya, yo pensé que iba a
Hoy si te sacaste un pinche mil.
¿1 millón?
No, ves, cuando viene entrando a la verga, se mira un.
Y el color que escogimos allá que llegando dijimos, esa es la...
Sí, se miraba, todas estas se miraban mejor que todas, la verdad.
Es que resalta de madre.
Ya.
Ya de cuenta que va a combinar con la pinche azul y
Ya, güey,
blanca.
¿cómo se mira?
Ahora sí vamos a llegar como los Street Aulas.
Ahí tenía fotos de todos los vatos de Street Aulas que habían comprado sus
Bien
trailers.
comprado.
Aquí las compraron.
Pues a lo mejor las primeras, ahorita ya traen unas pinches doble piso.
No, hombre, estas ahí las venden también, viejo. Sí, ¿no vio?
Bueno, pues ya me voy. Si le quieren caer a la Richie, va a haber fiesta ya.
¿Qué vas para allá?
A las 8 ya ahorita ya. Voy a reservar mesa.
Okay. Then, my boy, guys, we'll check it out. As you guys see, the badass trailer is really, really nice, and everybody liked it, guys. So we're gonna store this thing away. And remember, guys, tomorrow we're gonna be loading everything up, getting everything ready, because this weekend Colorado Truck Madness is going down. Saturday is the show. And Sunday is the racing, guys. So make sure to go. It's gonna be a badass show. A lot of people from Houston are going. On the Gas, Velocity, Harley Midnight, us. It's gonna be a badass show. Also, guys, remember that truck on the 15th. That's it. Somebody's taking home that truck, but you have to subscribe to the Instagram to get entered. So go subscribe to my Instagram. Go straight to my Instagram. It has a subscribe feature. Click that button, and it's gonna tell you what to do. We're gonna select all the names, put them on a random name picker, and one person is gonna be taking that truck home right there. Badass truck. Stay tuned.